Okay, so usually when I fry my chicken, I usually use some cornstarch. I usually do some flour, and I also have already pre-seasoned my flour, and I seasoned it with some garlic and different seasonings for the chicken. And the other thing is two beaten eggs. That's usually how I do it. Okay, so I usually dip it in the egg first, and then once I dip it in eggs, then I coat it. So again, that's why I'm not seasoning the chicken first, because the flour is already seasoned. Okay, so again, I dip it in the egg first. And then I dip it in the flour. Remove this. Okay, now I'm putting the chicken in the oil.
Good. Okay, Mike, and any particular box?